In a quiet town called Nazareth, under the vast skies of ancient Judea, a child was born whose life would change the world forever. His name was Jesus. His mother, Mary, was a humble young woman, and his earthly father, Joseph, was a carpenter. From the very beginning, there was something extraordinary about this child. His birth was surrounded by signs and wonder. Angels sang, a bright star shone in the sky, and wise men traveled from distant lands to honor him. As Jesus grew, he lived a simple life. He learned the trade of carpentry from Joseph and helped provide for his family. But even as a boy, he showed remarkable wisdom. At the age of 12, he was found in the temple in Jerusalem, sitting among teachers, listening, asking questions, and astonishing them with his understanding. It was clear that he had a deeper purpose. Years passed quietly, and Jesus lived an ordinary life until he reached about 30 years of age. Then, everything changed. He began his ministry, traveling from town to town, sharing a message of love, forgiveness, and hope. He spoke about the kingdom of God not as a distant place, but as something that could live within people's hearts. Crowds gathered wherever he went. The poor, the sick, the broken, and the forgotten were drawn to him. Jesus healed the blind, giving them sight. He made the lame walk again. He touched those who were considered untouchable and showed compassion to those whom society had rejected. His miracles were not just acts of power. They were signs of deep love and mercy. But it wasn't only his miracles that captured people's attention. It was his words. He taught in parables, simple yet profound stories that revealed deep truths. He spoke of loving your neighbor, forgiving your enemies, and treating others with kindness and humility. He challenged the religious leaders of the time, not out of rebellion, but to remind them of the true meaning of faith, compassion over ritual, mercy over judgment. Jesus gathered a group of 12 disciples, ordinary men like fishermen and tax collectors. He walked with them, taught them, and prepared them to carry forward his message. They witnessed his miracles, heard his teachings, and slowly began to understand the depth of who he was. Yet not everyone welcomed him. Some religious leaders felt threatened by his growing influence. They misunderstood his teachings and feared losing their authority. Despite this opposition, Jesus continued his mission, unwavering in his purpose. One of the most powerful moments of his life came when he fed thousands of people with just a few loaves of bread and fish. Another time, he calmed a raging storm with a single command. His followers began to see him not just as a teacher, but as someone truly divine. As his ministry progressed, Jesus began to speak about his coming suffering. He knew that his journey would lead to sacrifice. Still, he continued forward, driven by love for humanity. In his final days, Jesus entered Jerusalem, where crowds welcomed him with palm branches, celebrating him as a king. But this joy was short-lived. Soon, betrayal would strike from within. One of his own disciples, Judas, turned against him. Jesus was arrested, falsely accused, and brought before the authorities. Though innocent, he was sentenced to death. He was mocked, beaten, and forced to carry a heavy cross through the streets. Despite the pain and humiliation, he showed no hatred. Instead, he showed forgiveness. On a hill called Golgotha, Jesus was crucified. As he hung on the cross, he prayed for those who were hurting him, saying, "Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing." Even in his final moments, his message remained one of love and mercy. After his death, his body was placed in a tomb. His followers were filled with grief and confusion. It seemed as though all hope was lost. But the story did not end there. 3 days later, something miraculous happened. The tomb was found empty. Jesus had risen from the dead. He appeared to his disciples, showing them that death had not defeated him. This moment became the foundation of faith for millions around the world. After spending time with his followers, Jesus gave them one final mission to go into the world and share his message of love, forgiveness, and salvation. Then, he ascended into heaven, leaving behind a legacy that would endure for generations. The life of Jesus was not about wealth or power. It was about humility, sacrifice, and unconditional love. He taught that true greatness comes from serving others, and that even in the darkest moments, hope can rise again. Today, his story continues to inspire billions. His teachings remind us to love one another, to forgive freely, and to live with compassion. Though centuries have passed, the light of his message still shines, guiding hearts and transforming lives.